Happy Friday morning, Graves. Let's go ahead and stand on up and do our pledges. First, to the American flag. I pledge allegiance
to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all.
And now for the Texas pledge.
Honor the Texas flag. I pledge allegiance to thee, Texas, one state under God, one and indivisible.
And now for a moment of silence. All right, Grace. Well, we made it for one full week of school. So proud of y'all. Thank you guys again for everything you're doing and keeping your masks on. One of the things, though, I need for us to work on just a little bit more, and teachers, if we can help out, that'd be great. Remember the distance within the hallways. I know it gets really easy to get right up on somebody and just don't even realize that you're very close, but we need to make sure that we're keeping our distance between each other when we're in the hallway. So remember, 3 or 4 on the floor. At this time, Ms. Whitmire is going to give us some more cool information to use.
Hi, Grace. I'm going to just extend a little bit about what we talked about yesterday with our deep breathing. And I'm going to give you a cool recipe. So sometimes you need a little help clearing your mind and getting focused. And so it helps to set a timer maybe or have something to look at when you're trying to calm down and take your deep breaths. So I'm going to show you a couple of things here. One of them is something you can make, and one of them is something you might see in the counseling office. This is called a Hoberman Sphere, and you use that to kind of mimic your breathing. It expands like this, and then it contracts. So that can help slow your breathing. When you get anxious, you start taking really short, shallow breaths where you feel like that because you're upset. You may feel that way when you're crying too. And this can help slow your breathing down, and you breathe with it like this. And you can keep doing that until your body feels relief and you feel calm and that your breathing is slowed down. The other cool thing you can try is called a glitter bottle. And I actually have a class, Miss Jackson's class. They are all making their own glitter bottles, and they're going to stop by some other morning to show off their creations, but I'm going to show you 2 of mine. The glitter bottle helps because it's just like how your brain feels when you're stressed. It's all jumbled up like this, and it's all cloudy, and you can't think clearly. And so what you use the glitter bottle for is when I feel like this, when my brain feels like this, I shake it up. Feels kind of good. I have 2. And then I set it down. And what I'm going to do is look at it, and I'm going to take deep breaths until all of that glitter has settled to the bottom. So you may hear the saying, settle your glitter. That's kind of the same thing as calm down. But just saying calm down doesn't help us. We have to do something. So this is what we're going to do. While that glitter is falling, we're just going to stop and stare at it. It's kind of magical. And we're going to take our deep breaths until all the glitter has settled at the bottom. I'm going to give you the recipe in case you want to make one of these at home.
At this time, we need 5th grade bus rider to exit the building. We need 5th grade bus rider to exit the building.
So all you need to make one of these is a clear bottle that's smooth so you can see through it. You need a little squirt of dish soap. I think the clear works better because then it doesn't change the color of your water. You need a little bit of hand soap, the stuff you use that's a little thicker for your hands, and whatever colored glitter you want. I also put Orbeez in mine just because I think they're cool and I like the way the glitter sits on top of them. But you just need a little bit of each of those ingredients. You fill it up with water, and then shake it up and have fun and help yourself get calm.